If she tells you these 5 things, you need to kick her to the curb ASAP, right? There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I don't care how good she looks. I don't care how her body look. I don't care how she says she's a virgin. I don't care, right? If she tells you these 5 things, bro, you need to kick her to the curb, right? Let's jump into it. Number 1, if she says we need to take a break. If a woman ever tells you we need to take a break, bro, you need to cut her off immediately. You need to cut her off immediately, right? She found another dude. She found a dude that's better than you. That's all she's saying. She found a dude that's better than you, and she's trying to weigh out her options, right? Because if he's better than you, then she's going to leave you. She's going to cut you off, right? Guys, I always tell you, women is always looking for the best man. I don't care how long you've been in a relationship with this girl. I don't care if y'all been with each other for a year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, it don't matter. A woman is always looking for the best man. So just because you've been with her for a long time doesn't mean shit, right? Just because y'all in a relationship, just because y'all married, just because of whatever, that don't mean shit. She's always looking for a better dude than you. If she tells you, let's take a break, okay, baby, cool. Yeah, we should take a break, right? Don't be calling her phone, blowing up her phone saying, I miss you. Can we work things out? No, let the hoe do that, right? Let the hoe do that. Why is you doing that? Why is you blowing this girl phone up talking about I miss you, let's work things out? Bro, you sound like a whole bitch. You sound like a whole bitch. Let the woman do that. Let the woman do that. If she tells me, oh, let's take a break. Okay, cool, baby, let's take a break. That's cool. We can take a break. Right, we can take a break. Say it just like that. Look her dead in her eyes. Yeah, baby, we can take a break. Sure thing. Right? Basically, do know though, once you step out this house, it's over with. Right? Know that. Once you step out this house, it's over with. Because why are you taking a break? What you need a break for? What you need a break for? You need a break because you found a better dude. You found another dude. You found a dude that's getting that box wet. Another dude that's turning you on. That's why you want to take a break, because you want to smash him. Right? You not finna just smash him and then get back with me after he just busted all these gallons of nuts all on your faces. No, baby, I'm not finna do that. I'm not finna take you back after you did that. Right? After you said we should take a break. Okay, cool. Beat it. Bye. Bye. There's no bad blood. Cool. You can leave, baby. Right? I'm just not gonna take you seriously again. Right? I'm just gonna pipe you down too. I'm gonna pipe you down. I'm just not gonna take you seriously. Don't ask for no commitment from me. Right? You just gonna get straight piping bubblegum. That's all you getting from me. That's all you getting from me. Right? So yes, guys, never let a woman say we need to take a break. Hell no. Kick her to the curb ASAP. Kick her to the curb ASAP. Number 2, if she's talking crazy to you, guys, stop letting these women disrespect you, especially in public. Like, it be crazy because sometimes when I go to stores and shit, I be seeing women just cussing a man out, talking crazy to their man, and everybody just looking at him and the woman, and everybody just, oh my God, she's giving him the beat. She's talking to him crazy, right? And he just sitting there just taking it, just letting her talk to him any kind of way. Guys, never let a woman talk to you crazy. Never. If she start talking to you crazy, you need to kick her to the curb ASAP. She don't respect you. If a woman don't respect you, her box can't get wet. She don't love you anymore. Right? Fuck the love. Fuck if she say she likes me, bitch, do you respect me? If you really respect me, you wouldn't be talking all crazy because you would fear that I would leave your ass just for talking crazy. You know what I'm saying? Guys, stop letting these women just talk to you all crazy and step all over you and shit. You look like a weak ass man. Women like strong, masculine men. You think a woman talking crazy to a strong ass masculine man? Fuck no. Especially if they love him. It's fuck no. They not doing that. They not doing that. She's only talking crazy to you because she don't fuck with you. She don't like you. She not taking you seriously. You not getting her aroused enough. Right? And she know you don't have no options. That's why you still there. That's why you still with her. Because if she knew you had options, she know that, okay, I can't talk crazy to this dude, because if I talk crazy to this dude, he gonna leave my ass and talk to another bitch, and I don't want that. So never let a woman cuss you out, talk to you all crazy shit. Fuck no. Hell no. You the man. You the leader. You wear the pants in a relationship, not the woman. Right? Guys, I'd be damned if a woman talk crazy to me. I would be damned if a woman talk crazy. Bitch, beat it. Beat it. I'm not finna take you seriously. Get out my face. Fuck you talking to? Who the fuck you talking to? right? Who is you talking to? You not talking to me. You not talking to me. I will leave your ass right there looking stupid. I would throw all your shit out my house talking crazy to me. Baby, don't play with me. Right? Guys, I need y'all to have that mindset. Right? Don't let these women talk crazy to you because they don't respect you. If a woman don't respect you, she don't love you. Right? So there's no point of even talking to her. There's no point of even being with her. Number 3, if she says she make her money by showing her body off to the internet, cut her off. Cut her off. Cut her off. Right? 9 times out of 10, she make her money doing OWF, you know what I'm saying? Adult film, you know what I'm saying? Like, guys, she either a stripper, you know what I'm saying? Cut her off. She's no good for you, bruh. She's no good for you. 9 times out of 10, she's been ran through. So you telling me you finna take a chick that's been ran through, you finna take her seriously? You finna literally take her seriously after she's been ran through for free, for the free ski. I would be damned if I married this chick and she's being piped down by him. All these dudes fuck you for free. And you want me to marry you? No. You want me to take you seriously? No, I'm not finna do it. I'm not finna do it. Guys, stop taking these women seriously that do this crazy ass shit. It's cool if you pipe them down from time to time, but if you trying to be in a relationship with this girl, bruh, if you trying to marry this girl, bruh, and she's doing this shit all over the internet, cut her off. Cut her off. I don't give a fuck how bad your background was, baby. You could have found a job at McDonald's. You could have worked overtime. You could have went to college, went to school. You could have did something other than posting your body off all on the internet and shit, right? Because I can't take you seriously, right? And plus, I'm thinking about my kids' future. Let's say I did have a baby with you. I don't want my kids getting picked on and bullied on at school and shit. That's a no-go. That's a no-go. No, I'm not finna let that happen. No. Guys, when y'all taking these women seriously, y'all need to be thinking about your future, bruh. Damn, if I have kids with this girl, how my kids gonna react, right? Is my kids gonna get bullied? Right? Guys, you need to take that shit seriously. Guys, y'all need to tighten up. If your girl's all on the internet, you need to cut her off, kick her to the curb. Don't take her seriously. She could just get straight piped down and that's it. That's it, baby. Baby, don't take it serious. Baby, don't take it personal. I'm just finna just pipe you down and that's it. You're not finna get commitment from me. Sorry, but not sorry. You should have thought about that when you did it, right? You should have thought about that before you did it, right? There's a lot of jobs. There's a lot of way to make money. You don't have to do that shit. But you chose to go down that path, so, hey, you gotta accept the consequences, right? Number 4, if she tells you she cheated in her past, right? If she tells you she cheated in her past, you need to cut her off. Kick her to the curb, right? Because if she cheated in her past, 9 times out of 10, bruh, she's going to cheat on you. Why you think she not going to cheat on you? Bruh, it's always a better dude than you. It's a better dude than me out there. It's a better dude than you out there, right? So if she finds that better dude than you, she's going to cheat on you too. What the fuck? Why are you taking this girl seriously if she telling you she cheated in her past? That should be an easy cancel out. Oh, she told me she cheated in her past? Oh yeah, this bitch canceled. I'm not taking her seriously. She just getting straight piping bubblegum. That's it. That's it for me. That's it. Right? That's it. Baby, you got one job, to be loyal. You can't even do that. You can't even be loyal. You can't even do that. I don't give a damn how long you been with this dude. I don't give a damn if he cheating on you. Just because he cheating on you doesn't mean it's right for you to cheat on him. Baby, you need to grow up. Grow up. Because at the end of the day, guess what? You just got another body. You just got piped down by another dude. So that just make you look even more crazier. You basically telling me without telling me you don't even respect yourself, right? No, guys, no. And for all the dudes that's watching this and that's in relationships, if a girl cheating on you, right? If your girlfriend cheat on you now, you need to kick her to the curb ASAP too. I don't give a damn how long you been with this girl. I don't give a damn if she has your kids. I don't give a damn if she know your whole family. Kick her to the curb. Stop taking these bitches seriously if they did something wrong. If she cheating on you and you not sitting right with that, you need to kick her to the curb. Right? You need to kick her to the curb ASAP. As soon as your ass get fired, as soon as your ass have no money, as soon as you can't provide anymore, she's going to leave your ass. She's going to leave your ass. It might be within a week, a month, 2 months, 3 months, but she's going to leave your ass. She's going to, right? She's going to. So you might as well do the same thing, right? If you don't like a girl to cheat, why is you accepting her back after she cheating on you? That is stupid. Never let a woman cheat on you, bruh. Tighten up. Work on yourself. And number 5, if she says, oh, he just my BFF, he just my male BFF, he just my friend. Bitch, what that mean? He just a friend. He's still trying to pipe you down. He just a bitch at the end of the day. He's scared to tell you that, right? So he gonna wait till you vulnerable, right? He gonna wait till you vulnerable to press up on you, to have sex with you, right? So yeah, guys, if a woman tells you these 5 things, you need to kick her to the curb ASAP. Kick her to the curb ASAP. Don't take her seriously. She should get straight pipe and bubble gum. That's it. That's all you get. That's all she get is pipe and bubble gum. Do not take her seriously. Kick her to the curb. If you take her back, right, or if you accept her after she told you these 5 things, she's going to continue to treat you like shit, right? She's going to continue to do what the fuck she want to do, right? She's going to continue to treat you the worst way. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, this your boy Darren. I'm out. Peace.